Hello friends, today we will see how to install VMware Workstation in Windows PC. So I have already downloaded the VMware Workstation in my Windows PC. So here is the VMware Workstation Pro. Click here to run as administrator. VMware installation launcher. Click yes. Click next. Here this is the introduction. Accept the terms and license agreement. Click next. Install to file program. This is the path. Don't change. Add VMware Workstation console. Click next. Next. uh, okay, desktop start menu program. Click next. Next. The file when this VMware install disk is needed, type to path VMware locate. So now installation is completed. Click finish and go to the. Now here you can see VMware Workstation Pro installed, complete. Thank you guys for watching this video. In next video we will see how to set up the VMware Workstation Pro in Windows PC.